Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you turn on the history for your specific chat in your Google Chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to turn off the history of your Google Chat, you just simply have to open the chat application, and after opening the chat application, just simply open the chat for which you would like to turn off the history. In my case, I'm opening this chat, and after that simply go to the profile of that specific chat, and after that this history is off option will appear. Now into here you just simply have to enable this toggle for history is off, and after enabling this toggle your history will successfully be turned on. This way you can also turn on your history in Google Chat. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.